Ngicela uqale ngibonge i-Department of Sports and Arts and Culture. Yisona sponsor sethu esikhulu ifanda yethu enkulu. Ngaphandle kwe-Department of Sports and Arts and Culture ngaba asikho la sikhona namhlanje. So ngicela ukuthi bona bangakhathali while thina sisazama. Babevele bethe bafuna ukusilekelela ukuthi thina sibe sizama amanye ama-sponsors ukuqhubeka sephambili. So ukuqhubela phambili nje akhona ama-sponsors sisawazama noma ngeke ngiwasho ngegama. But ke sinamanye ama-ideas as well because into esifuna ukuyenza sifuna ukwenza igala dinner la khona esizobiza khona wonke ama-investors wonke iy'nkampani ukuthi zisondele zizolalela i-vision yethu zibone ukuthi zingakwazi yini ukuthi zisebenzisane nathi. So i-plan yona ikhona. I think around September we're gonna do that because kubalulekile ukuthi labantu sibafake endlini eyodwa and share our vision nabo because inkinga enkulu kusibhakela nje kahle imali. I-boxing ayinamali kakhulu angazi mhlawumbe i-sport esinebhadi. So but ke as a leader ngiyafisa impela ukuthi ke ngikwazi ukuthi ngikushintshe lokho ne-team yami ye-federation as well engiyithemba kakhulu nengikholelwa kuyona.
My name is Mlungisi M. Dube, the current KwaZulu-Natal Provincial Manager under Boxing South Africa. I think we can maintain this success that we have by continuing with structures and strengthening our efforts, making sure that all the licensees get training and we just consolidate the successes that we've had.
Ama-province wonke fana abe ne-federation because i-federation imele ama-boxer, trainers, managers, imele wonke umuntu, promoters. Most of the provinces are focused kuma-promoters association only. Then thothi nama-trainers, managers ayimele. Leyo nto i-create i-conflict because mani province manisenze ngegoli eyodwa njengoba nathi sine-plan yethu sisebenzela phy as a-federation kusho ukuthi wonke lama-association they report to us yabo then thina wona ayasilandela thina uyabo. So ke ngithi nje kuwonke ama-province it's very important to have a federation so that sizokwazi ukuthi sibe nama-world champion amaningi kakhulu njengoba sazi ukuthi amabhande ayindlala sinama-WBC champion awu-3 kuphela in history.
Igama uThema Zuma, le boxing ngu-Stone Cold. I'm a former SA Junior Bantam champion.
Igama uPhikelelano Wakhumalo, ring name Stinger. Currently the South African champion and ABU champion, former KZN champion and former SADC champion.
Igama lami uSiza Ngiwa, a future champion of Bantamweight division. Currently 3-0, 3 fights, 2 wins by points, 1 win by knockout.
I think the issue was always there was no coordinated activities, so there was no structure, so people were working in silos. Now there's a federation, there's associations, there's training that is going on between the trainers and the boxers, and you can see that coming through. So I think for us to maintain that, we have to make sure that we strengthen this organizational structure, make sure we continue with the training. You heard that there was a comment that we need to do more training on diet with the boxers, mental and wellness. All those things, they come together and we can see the results coming through.
Umcimbi wanamhlanje ungisiza ukuthi ngikwazi ukubona ukuthi sengizokwazi ukuthola uxhaso kuma-sponsors nangokuthi ungenze ngathola ulwazi oluningi ebengiyibuza lona ukuthi njengoba sama-boxer ase-KZN lukhona yini usizo esilitholayo njengoba kusanda ukubekwa i-federation entsha mayelana nezokujima nezezimpi nangezempilo nje impilo esiyiphilayo esama-boxer.
Okay, isize kakhulu le conference ebikhona for ama-sponsors sibona ukuthi obani abasponsorishayo obani aba-willing ukuthi bethathe part for ukusiphakamisa as ama-box ase-KZN. So going forward I hope izosebenza ngendlela eplanwe ngayo nathi iphelele emoyeni.
As amantombazane ngingasho ngathi le KZN ya likhuphukile lona izinga kusafana nasekuqaleni likhuphukile izinga and ngokusebenza ko-trainer nabaphathi bala eKZN ngisho ngithi muhle umsebenzi okhona because sesinawo ama-champion aphethe ama-SA kakhulu sinawo ama-champion awu-4 ama-females then sibe ne-KZN champion okhomba kona ukuthi izinga labesifazane liyanyuka kakhulu.
I really hope KZN boxing ungasiza for thina singadlala singenabo promote because sidinga ama-fights kuyimanje ama-fighters azobe khona after October, so lokho it's bad for us because sihlele ejimini since Jan asinawo ama-fights, so ngiyacela even namanye ama-province like kuthi befake isandla then besikhuphule nathi because we have ama-boxers amaningi eKZN are good but awayitholi exposure.
Well, it's going to help a lot of boxers, but it's hard to fight once a month if you're fighting for championships because then it requires a lot of time to train. But for up-and-coming boxers who are still doing 4-rounders and 6-rounders, it's really going to have a good impact.
Engingakusho njengoba ngithi izinga selithe ukukhuphuka ngizothi kuqale ngabo 2000 bekukancane kwi-professional ukuthi abantu besifazane batholakale ngenxa yokungatholakali kalula kwezinto for abantu besifazane, kodwa manje ngithi liyathuthuka ngoba sezikhona izimpi sesiyakwazi ukuthi sibe njengoba kuza i-women month kunala kusuke kudlala khona amantombazane wodwa. Ya okunye engisho ngithi mhlambe bekubuye kubambezele kubantu besifazane isibhakele njengoba ikakhulukazi saziwa njengokuthi sabantu besilisa, so bekuba nzima kubantu besifazane ukuthi bajoyine ngoba kwazi ukuthi isibhakela esabantu besilisa.
I think into ekufanele yenziwe ama-boxer kufanele ayisebenzise i-federation ngoba yake yaba khona before, but thinking ama-boxers from KZN they are not vocal, they are very shy when it comes to their sport, so uzobona ngeke baze bakhulume baneyinkinga ngeke baze basho lutho kwi-federation bazolindela i-federation ukuthi kube yona yenza something. So I think ushintsho kumele liqhamuke from ama-boxers.